Hi, Sadaf. Sorry that I didn't get back to you when I said I would. I've been struggling a little bit. But I'm looking at your work now, and this is what you handed in for your essay, but it's just one paragraph. And then I saw your introduction was good, except for it needed to all go in one paragraph, but I don't see your introduction. I don't see your introduction here. I'm looking at, let me see. Did your introduction correctly, but then it's not here. Anyway, and then your draft two body paragraphs, those aren't right. So let me just show you, I'm going to show you Maya's essay because she said I could share it. Oh, wait, hold on. I meant to show you her essay. Here we go. All right, so your essay, you need to get the prompt onto your desktop and look at it all, keep it open while you're working. Refer to it a lot. And you'll see that you should have 4 paragraphs. Your first paragraph should have 3 elements. It's all explained in the prompt. And the first element is a story to introduce your topic. The next element is a definition of happiness. And then the final element is this thesis statement that identifies 2 areas of life that you're going to write about. And you did that actually in the introduction you turned in. You just didn't keep it. I'm not sure why. And then your 2 body paragraphs also, they should have 3 elements. They should have a topic sentence that tells me what the paragraph is going to be about. And then, like in this case, Maya's talking about how she wants to be a mom, and she's describing that. Let's see. And she describes it all the way down to here. She describes what that's going to look like. I plan to have a supportive partner. I want to be able to raise my family. She's describing the future. And then she ends with a tiny bit of analysis. Actually, she doesn't have much analysis. She could use a little bit more. But that's what your body paragraphs should look like. So anyway, I think I'm just going to leave off there and say, start with what you wrote and turned in as your introduction. And then I can help you when we see each other this week get started on the body paragraphs, okay?